channel. If you are not already subscribed, now's a good time to go ahead and do that. Do that. Turn on your post notifications. Comment down below if you guys are new here. Welcome to my channel. Let's get right into the video. So for today, I'm going to be actually working with a company called Wigencounters. Y'all, this box is so beat up. This is actually my fault because when I got it out of the mailbox, I kind of just threw it in the back of my trunk. Y'all, I have just like the most going on. Okay, let's just say that. But nevertheless, the box is really beat up, so don't judge the company, judge me. But on the inside of the packaging, what you actually receive is a couple of goodies. Obviously the wig is already taken out, so I do have this here. Oops. All the details to the wig will actually be listed down below. So this is going to be like a kinky straight, or kind of like a kinky unit, which you guys know I love because it gives you that really nice natural feeling without, I guess, having to straighten your hair. It's like a nice blowout. So anywho, on the inside of here you do actually get, of course, the details of the unit. So this is a natural black 22-inch unit, 150 density, and it does have 6-inch of deep parting on the wig. It is a pre-plucked hairline, Kinky, Yaki, invisible HD skin melt Swiss oh, this is gonna be a nice wig. So I just want y'all to know, when companies start talking about that HD Swiss lace, just know, baby, it's going down. Okay, they also gave me a comb inside of here. I did actually get a wig cap, so at this point I'm collecting wig caps because y'all know I put on my wigs like just like this, unless I'm like really in a mood to do something kind of funky. Yeah, I put them on as is. So and then I also got this cute little red bag. I'm not even sure like what it says. I think it's like, let me see, I'm not sure, but it's a cute little red bag that you guys can take on the go if you do have any of your wig like things that you might need. So they did give me an elastic band, which is appreciated. This is a good one, so I'm definitely gonna put this here. They also gave me a wig clip, which is perfect because you guys know we need that to kind of peel back our lace. And then they gave us tweezers. Yo, this is a first. I need to start doing this. They gave tweezers. Now y'all know most companies do not give tweezers. They give you the wig as is and you got to figure it out on your own. So they gave me tweezers. I'm definitely going to be using those because I'm like, okay, I need them. I'm always losing my tweezers. But here is the adjustable band that will go on the inside of the wig. I think there's like 2 parts. I don't know. Y'all know I'm always dropping stuff. So we'll find out once I actually open this. Oh, here it is. Anywho, here's what the actual unit looks like. It looks like a lot of hair, y'all. This actually looks like, whoa, a lot. So it is like packaged with this like little lunch bag, you know, what, not lunch bag, lunch lady little mesh caps to protect the hair. I use that as well still. The lace already looks really, yo, I'm excited, y'all. Okay, so I'm always really excited when I get the Swiss lace because I know that it's gonna melt into my skin. I already see that fray. That's how you know the difference between the fake one and the real one. It has that stretch to it, like it's, look at that, stretchy, nice and soft, literally going through, like, look at that. You can't even see where the lace begins nor ends. You guys will see that once I actually put it, once I actually put it on. Look at that. I'm so excited. This looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace from the back. All right, so once you have your lace cut off from the back, I'm gonna go ahead and actually adjust these combs that are at the back of the wig so you guys can see here. Look at the inside of the wig. This is what this looks like. There are combs on both sides and the back, and then it's also adjustable. Alright guys, so on the inside of this wig, you guys can see here right beside the comb, there is like this little area where you want to attach the elastic band. It actually looks like a bra strap. I love this idea because you can literally adjust it to what you need it to. You don't have to worry about measuring out the space or anything like that. I like to put it on the last band, so in order to attach this, you literally just take one end. I'm going to take this one and just clip it on like you would a bra. I'm sure all of you guys know. Or if you don't, ask your mama because I don't get to tell you how to put on a bra. Okay, so I have this clipped, and then you want to go ahead and just adjust this to whatever length you want it to be. So I usually put it on the tightest one just because y'all know I got a big head and I kind of just want this to like fit really snug. So there is that. And then we have it adjusted in the back as well. I never actually use combs because I just don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip this on. Whew. This is a lot of hair, y'all. Okay, So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this down. You wanna make sure that like that band up under there is sitting comfortably, because it can just sit like in an awkward spot behind your ear. So you wanna make sure that it's completely laid down. And taking a look at this lace, y'all, look at this. All right, so look at the lace on this. Look at that. Super duper transparent. So of course this is what the hairline looks like. It is already plucked and bleached and things like that. So I don't know. What I will say is I probably want to take this a little bit step further. I would probably tweeze this out just a little bit more towards the front. So I'm actually going to start to do that now. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of tie some of the hair back a little bit. Get it out of the way because it is just like massive. Okay. Boom. And I'm going to take the tweezers that they got me and just kind of like start to tweeze it out. And I'm pretty much just randomly going throughout the hairline, not too much in one spot. I'm just trying to get rid of that like uniformity around the actual hairline, because nobody has a square hairline unless you get like a shape up, but that's for another conversation. Alright, so boom. Now usually I would tell you guys in order to cut off the lace, actually use like a razor or some type of like eyebrow razor or something so that it can kind of fray. But I don't have that with me right now, so I'm just going to take my scissors. And I like to leave maybe about a ½ centimeter of lace right in front of the hairline just so that everything really fades and kind of just melts into your skin. You can already see, look at that. Boom. And I kind of left too much lace on here, but that's how transparent it is. You can't even bro, you can't even see. Okay, so I'm just cutting that off, and then you want to make sure to obviously trim the lace around your ears as well, because I mean, you just need to do that. So if you do have smaller ears or this little section is a little bit weird, it's okay to kind of cut some hair. Like, don't be afraid of doing that. I do have a more detailed video on how to trim the lace around your ear. So if you want to see that, I'll post that in my description box below as well, just so you guys get an understanding of how that works. Alright, so this is where you guys start to panic, because y'all are like, Chrissy, what do we do with the flaps? So it's kind of up to you. If you want to tack them down, you can use glue, you can use gotta be glue, you can pretty much use whatever you want, or you can do the glueless method. I don't know if you guys have seen other videos from me, but if you have, then you guys would be familiar with the glueless method, where I use my mousse. I go ahead and just kind of tie the hair down for maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, go, and the flaps are laid down. For the sake of the video, I'm actually going to go ahead and use the gotta be glue spray just to kind of speed up this process and give you the final look. But yeah, let me do that now. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have everything tacked down, and I'm noticing on this unit they did already kind of cut some shorter hairs in the front, so that's interesting. If you guys want to completely tack this down, you definitely can. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to pretty much style it from here, and then we'll kind of go from there. I have no clue how I want to style it, but I can say the hair is extremely soft, extremely full. You guys, I'm like 5'2". This hair is coming like to my booty. It's really, really long. So I'm thinking we can probably do like a middle part and then a cute little like braided style. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna split the hair down the middle, do 2 braids on the side, and then I will be right back. That is pretty much it. I'm literally just gonna go ahead and take the hot comb, just kind of like smooth this down just a teensy tiny bit. You guys, this hair is so soft, so I'm actually thinking I'm going to do another video showing you guys how to silk press it, because my previous kinky straight videos that you guys have seen, I've kind of already came to you guys with the hair silk press, so I think that would probably be delightful to see. I don't know, but the hair does straighten really easy. So you guys can see I'm going through it with this hot comb, and it's kind of getting rid of those kinks right away and just laying everything out. Y'all, this looking kind of good. Okay. Alright, so, and remember, I do not even have my hair parted. In our middle part is literally just like pulls all the way back. So that goes to show you what's going on with this unit. I have these two little braids on the side. They are really thick and full. The hairline looks really, really good. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me show you kind of what this looks like from, I guess, the back. Alright, so you guys see how thick and full this unit is. I know that it's going to be super pretty straightened out, and it's like flowy too. The only thing I would probably say is I'm definitely going to have to like trim the ends. I don't know that you guys can see it, but they are a little bit like kind of wispy. So you see that? You guys know I want my hair to be like perfect, so I'm definitely, actually I'm just going to do it now instead of talking about it. Yeah. There we go. So I just trimmed the ends just to get rid of those like weird spots. And we are all good, you guys. I am loving this unit. So again, all the details will be listed down in my description box below. Definitely make sure to check that out. If you are not already subscribed, definitely make sure to do that. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, Wigencounters, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.